Hey everybody, this is Mother from iGotTechHD here for another After Effects tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to create an intro that you saw in the beginning of the video, which is how to extrude 3D text and create an intro using that inside After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the tutorial. So click and create a new composition. Let's name it YouTube 3D text tutorial. So the settings are like this. I have set it to 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, square square pixels, aspect ratio of the pixels. The frame rate should be 29.97, or it varies with you. If you want to change it, you can choose from these so many. And the duration should be 5 seconds. So the background color can be whichever you want. So let's get into it. So click create a new solid. It can be of any color, whichever you want, and go to effects and presets and search for a plugin called ramp. So drag and drop into the composition, and now click on this anchor point button and choose the start of the ramp at the right below on this point, and the end of ramp at the starting this point. So now you've got it. Now change the start color to a dark blue and the end color to a black. So now change the mode to radial ramp shape to radial ramp, and you can change in the position of end color to increase or decrease the ramp. So this would pretty nice. So let's close this ramp and create a new solid. So let's call it element. Well, let's change this also to BG. Yeah. So now we have element. Let's turn off this element layer. Wait, first of all, go to effect with Copilot element. So now you have it. Just turn off this layer, go to new text, and so now we are going to create our text. So I have this font called Champagne and Limousines. I downloaded it from thefont.com. You can go there and download. Real nice font and real nice site too, as I told before. So just go there and type whatever you want. Let's do it element. Yeah, like the intro that stated. Yeah. So this is the element. So let's increase the size of it just a little bit. And now press Ctrl plus Enter and turn off this layer. So turn on the element layer. So let's element text. Yeah. So turn on the element layer. Go to custom layers, custom text and masks. So you can choose any of these, but I would recommend to choose path layer 1. Go to path layer 1 and select element text. So after doing that, go to scene setup. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this element is a paid product by videocopilot.com. So, and also, yeah, and if you want this, you have to go to Video Copilot and you need to pay them money. You need to buy this thing, and then you need to use it. So when you've done that, you can, if you don't have element, you can't do this, use this tutorial anyway. So let's go to scene setup, as I was talking. So click this extrude button above, and so now you have your text. As you can see, you can also add objects like alarm clocks, bulb, and whatever things which have been included by Video Copilot, and you can extrude them as well. So we'll talk about that later, and now let's talk about this text which we were extruding. So here you'll see the bevel 1. So first of all, go to the extrusion model and click bevel copy. Change the bevel copies to 2 or 3 as whatever required by you. So now go to the presets tab and just drag any of those if you want from them, or you can just go to bevels and change whatever you want. We'll take something from this bevels and then edit it inside material. So let's choose this round white and drag it inside up here. So this looks pretty cool. You can see these round bevels up here, so these look real nice. So what is this one, back one or front one? Yeah, this is back one. So let's go to materials and change it to shiny. Yeah, this shiny looks right, looks real nice. And let's change this one to shiny light. Yeah, looks real nice. Yeah, so you can see that all the shadows and lightnings come directly in this. You need not do anything else of this. No environment layer is needed as we used to do before. This is real nice. So you can also go to environment and choose whichever environments you need depending upon your like requirements. So I'll do default blood because that looks nice. So yeah, so when you've done it, you can also do some edits by adding these things. You can change the extrude and expand edges, etc., all those things, but I like it this way, so I'm gonna use it this way only. So let's take it to 24. Let's double it. It was at minus 0.12, so let's change it to 0.24 minus 0.2. Yeah, so then click OK, and if you have edited it, so now go to group 1, particle look, and increase the size. So this much would be enough. And you can also do one thing, go to the BG, go to ramp, like decrease a little bit. Yeah, this would look nice, and that would come down a little bit. Yeah. So over that, let's close this ramp and go to element again. So now we have this, and go to the multi-object and don't keyframe it, just click enable. So now after enabling it, you'll get a whole lot of features enabled which you can use now. So first of all, you can go to like rotation random. You can see this properly, I suppose. So here's the rotation random. So go to the 4-second mark. No, yeah, 4-second mark, and you can like keyframe it over here, and at the 1 second 0 second you can just rotate it to 250. Yeah, that looks nice. And with that, just double click it to get it into this, and change one of these to right click and keyframe assistant easy ease. So now you have this easy ease. It makes the motion elegant, as I talked before in my earlier video. So with that, now where's the displays? No, not displays, I guess. Yeah, displays is also nice, but I had some scatter, I guess. Yeah, scatter. We can keyframe both of them. So let's keyframe first displays. So first of all, displays over here to 0 pixels. 0 pixels. So let's come into here, and displays, no, here it would be 0 pixels, sorry. And going into the starting, it would be, just increase the size. You need not matter what it should be have been. So let's this one should be there in the starting. And also like, where's that scatter? Yeah, so here it should have been where's that? Yeah, keyframe it over here and scatter them. Yeah, scatter them in negative or whatever. And this is okay, 64, 80, 83. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah, so let's turn these both two into easy ease. Yeah, so that looks perfect. So now it's time to close this element and concentrate over some lights. So let's create some lights. Right click, new light. So let's create some white light for this, and it should be a point light. So let's change my cursor into this. So now we have got a light. Let's move it over here a little bit. So yeah, right over there. So let's duplicate the slide. Let's change the slide once. This is oops, right side, right. So let's duplicate this layer and change it to left side. Alright, yeah. So where's that? Let's hold over the control here and let's turn it to this place. Yeah, so looks nice. And so now we have got this. Let's add a camera over here. So you can see like this at this place, if you keep the camera at the starting, you need nothing would happen really, cause it would look like it's scattering just. So you need to keep it when most of them start coming inside. So like it's 2 minutes and 15 frames. So let's add a camera, new camera, and it doesn't matter whichever you choose. So let's take it element camera. Let's name it element camera. So you have the element camera, just hit the P key and press shift plus A to open up point of interest too. So let's keyframe both of them at the end. So and now let's come to 2 minutes and 15-second frame. So now press the C key. This is the fun part of the tutorial. Now you can change the look of these. Yeah, so it looks really fun. It is really fun to do. So press the C key again to change it to rotation one and change it into this one. Yeah, and pan one. So let's pan it real far away and let's do this. Yeah, so now we have both of our keyframes, point of interest and position. So let's change them both to easy ease and let's do them to a 4-second, cause there's where our element comes in and it is completed. So now our most of the part of the video is done. So now you can also make some tweaks and edits depending upon yourself. So I'll include the project file of this, and if you want to do, you can use this and make your own things. And please, like if you made something out of this, give me the like what we call it, give me the just nothing, leave that. You can use it anyway. And if you make something very nice, just make it as a video response in the comments so that I can also have a look at what you make. So thanks for watching and stay tuned on iGotTechHD for more tutorials, videos and stuff. Thank you.